Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Hello, my name is Chef Fran, and today we're making Caprese Avocado Toast. Avi, short for avocado. To make our Avi toast, we have, of course, our avocado. We have our multi-grain bread, and the reason I went with this bread because one, it's a lot healthier for you. It's full of fiber. And then I just love an array of colors. If you've watched my show, then you know that I love colors and love to cook with colors because colors represent nutrition. So we have a melody tomato here. My yellow is not popping out here too much because most of it is gone, but we have some cherry melody tomatoes, orange, kind of purplish brown, and red. We have a special cheese joining us called Burrata cheese. And Burrata cheese, basically the outside casing of it, it's that mozzarella cheese that's kind of stretched out, and inside it's filled with this beautiful cream. Similar to how ricotta kind of looks, but it's not ricotta. So that is our Burrata, okay? And we have some melted butter with some fresh garlic that I had minced up here. And then I chopped up some fresh basil, a little bit of cayenne to kick our life up and spice things up for us. And our everything bagel is here, as well as our balsamic glaze we have here. And then our avocado, of course. And we'll have a little bit in our butter that I had already used and melted here. And a little bit of Himalayan salt if needed. And so we're gonna brush our avocado toast with some butter and garlic first. Look at all this garlic here. I mean, you have to love garlic like I love garlic because garlic is good for you, especially if you have some high blood pressure issues, some hypertension. Have some garlic in your life, definitely help. Maybe not too much butter though, but butter is better for you though than, something that's GMO. So we're gonna cut our avocado. Here's my cutter, and I could link this for you at the end. It has a great thing to take out your pit. And this is a serrated that doesn't affect you or cut you. So it'll make cutting your avocado really smoother. Now with avocado, we all know that we don't know what we're gonna get a lot of times. Sometimes they're great, and sometimes they're not so presentable, but you could always still use it to make smoothies, hair mask. Hold on, take this. Hair mask or face mask, other things you can do with it. Okay. All right, not too bad. So we're gonna take our pit out, and I can put the pit in here. And it comes right out. Okay, there we go. And so we will cut it, our avocado. All this wonderful garlic pieces in here that we get to enjoy. Oh, my butter is kind of finished here. Okay, so I'm going to cut my avocado into these beautiful thin slices. And then we're going to put them on our bread and basically thin them out, fan them out. Okay. Scoop this here and put this here. And let's fan this out. Aha. There we go. Let's fan this out. And so here we go. Let's actually put our black pepper and Himalayan salt. Get a little salt on here. A little bit of our black pepper. Okay, and now put a little bit of our cayenne first. Just a tad bit. Let's do our burrata cheese. Now, these are so delicate because, like I said, we have cheese, we have a creamy cheese filling in here, and outside is the mozzarella casing. So we're gonna break this up, and we're gonna get that wonderful, see? Oh, look at that wonderful goodness cheese that's like falling out of it. Do you see that? Oh man, so good. Oh, look at that filling, the cheese, and the creaminess of this cheese. Get the filling here, get some of that mozzarella here. And then we can put our cherry tomatoes on here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so good. So healthy for you. Oh, yes. We're going to top it off with our everything bagel seasoning. And we're going to put our balsamic glaze here on it. Gotta have our glaze. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Let's do 2 with it and 2 without it. Tell me that this doesn't look enticing. Just the colors alone of the tomatoes bursting on here. And then you have the green from the avocado and the white from the mozzarella, the burrata, the mozzarella with the cream on here. And of course the balsamic drizzle, right? Let's not forget that, to give us another burst of color of, you know, brown shimmering glazing here. Now, oh, tell me that this is not a great healthy breakfast, lunch, snack. Tell me, it is. So let's dig in. Whoa. Okay. All this bursting flavor in your mouth here. You have the sweetness of the glaze, of course. You have that juiciness of the tomatoes. And the sweetness from them too. Then you have the avocado with that creaminess and that cheese and the burrata. Oh my gosh. Take another bite. Wow. This is really delicious. Healthy. Gotta try this. And you have that nice little kick of the saltiness, but not salty from the everything bagel. Must try. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets me know that you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. And I thank you for hanging out with me eating virtually while I ate this physically. But you too can do this and eat this virtually the next time. And if you did this exactly the same like I did or added something different, comment below because I do answer the comments. I thank you again for hanging out with me today and eating with me virtually. I appreciate your time. Love you guys.